How to get all values from Python enum class? I'm using enum for library to create an enum class as follows. I want to print 1, 2 as a list somewhere. How can I achieve this?
You can use enum to get list of the ints. You can do the following.
Based on the answer by @Jeff, refactored to use a class method so that you can reuse the same code for any of your enums. Produces.
Use _member_names_ for a quick easy result if it is just the names, i.e. Also, you have _member_map_ which returns an ordered dictionary of the elements. This function returns a collections.orderedict, so you have color.member_map_items and color.member_map_values to play with. For example, we'll return all the valid values of color.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.